A Valley woman alarmed by someone randomly coming to her front door and offering to help her sign up for the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, there are several agencies doing outreach, trying to help people get signed up to get their shots.
Not everyone can get to a vaccination site, so the Department of Health is sending workers to them. Fox 10's Jennifer Martinez has more.
I'm with the health department. We're trying to get people vaccinated next week that are seniors.
An unexpected door knock on Peri Raygors' door, who lives in Central Phoenix. A representative from the Arizona Health Department going door to door, getting seniors signed up for their COVID-19 vaccinations.
I just was concerned after he left because I hadn't heard anything about people coming around.
So concerned, Peri called the police department. She thought it was a scam, but it wasn't. Fox 10 reached out to the health department. They tell us this was a high-intensity outreach effort to get residents in the 85009 zip code vaccinated.
And yet in this zip code, it just went exponential in the growth and made me very sad.
Since Monday, volunteers have registered 400 residents in the area to get their dose. While Peri has already received her first dose of the Pfizer vaccine, she says this effort will help many Arizonans.
I think it's terrific. I think that the city should have done something like that a while ago for this neighborhood.